Android phone secret safe mode. Yes, you are listening right. I'm Gogi from How to Do It, and today we're gonna talk about that how safe mode works, how we can use it, and what is the importance of safe mode, and why it is into your mobile phones. Yes, you are listening right. Welcome to the How to Do It, and let's begin the video. First of all, I want to tell you that if you switch on your mobile safe mode, then it will only operate on the important apps like SMS calling and browsing feature and gallery. Otherwise, and camera, all the other installed and downloaded apps will stop working. But why we need that, and how we can use and apply that? First of all, how you can start: you have to go to your phone and press and hold this on and off button, and after that click on power button and long press over here until it show you the safe mode. Click on reboot safe mode and it will go to the safe mode. Like these options will, these apps only will only shown, and a safe mode is over there. Now restart the system if you want to get out from the safe mode, and you will get access to all the applications. So why it's important to you and your mobile phone? Keep in mind that if you feel your mobile phone has been hacked by anyone, just turn your phone into safe mode, because it stops every other app other than default apps, and you will be get out from the hacked section. If you want that your phone is hanging a lot, and if it's hang, just turn safe mode and try is there any app is disturbing your phone system. And if you have any other problem restarting, hanging, or getting hot a lot, so you should turn safe mode on for a time. And if you very low on battery, you can turn safe mode on, and many time it's used to check out what's the problem in the phone. Like, share, subscribe, and hit bell icon for get more videos. Hope you understood why the safe mode is important.